Hey girls, so we are doing a braid out, and for this braid out our goal is maximum hydration. So we're going to apply the maximum amount of hydration to our braid out to prevent frizz and to prevent hair that's undefined. So we want maximum hydration, maximum frizz control, and maximum definition. So I have done a lot of braid outs, but I haven't always been able to achieve the desired look that I want, which is a very defined, not frizzy braid out at all. I do have pretty dense hair, so I don't always do a lot of picking and fluffing. I value having hair that's extremely moisturized and extremely hydrated. So we're going to be doing this braid out to achieve maximum hydration, maximum definition, and little to no frizz. So in order to do that, we have to use the appropriate products and techniques. So if you're struggling with your braid outs, you're struggling with dry, frizzy hair, this is going to be your go-to for getting the maximum amount of hydration for your braid out. Before we get started, make sure if you haven't subscribed, you hit that subscribe button and become part of my sisterhood. And also hit that notification bell so you'll always be in the know when I upload. So just take 1 minute to subscribe and then we can get started. Okay, so now that you're subscribed, let's go ahead and get into this braid out. So we're going to do a braid out, but we're going to do it focusing on how to get the maximum hydration out of the braid out, especially since I will be using it as a protective style. I want to make sure I get the most hydration for the most amount of days as I can. For our leave-in, I've already applied Parnevu to my hair. Now Parnevu is a leave-in conditioner for extra dry hair. Now this is an old school favorite. I used it when I was relaxed. I recently seen it. I remembered how much I love it and how hydrating it was, and I decided to try it out again. So for the Parnevu, it is a leave-in treatment. It helps prevent breakage, moisturize damaged hair, and it's deep conditioning therapy. Now Parnevu retails for about $5.99, so not super expensive, especially since you get 16 ounces, so that's a decent amount. Parnevu for extra dry hair leave-in conditioner is a deep penetrating cream conditioner uniquely formulated to help prevent split ends, help prevent hair breakage, dry scalp, and brittleness. Parnevu for extra dry hair leave-in conditioner repairs conditions and leaves hair healthy, vibrant, and strong. When used daily, Parnevu for extra dry hair leave-in conditioner helps bring your hair back to its natural balance. Parnevu for extra dry hair leave-in conditioner is a light, easily absorbed formula that is an excellent daily treatment for relaxed, permed, tinted, dyed, and chemically treated hair. Use after every shampoo for continued protection against split ends or dry, brittle hair. So as you hear, it doesn't say for natural hair, and it's true because I did use this when I was relaxed. So I decided to try it out because it is really hydrating. So this is gonna be the L, the leave-in, and then I just have an oil blend for the O. For my cream, I will be using the Eden Body Works. Now this is the Coconut Shea Natural Curl Defining Cream, and it is made to define curls. The Coconut Shea Natural Curl Defining Cream is a humidity-resistant formulation designed to refine and separate curls and waves. This product infuses moisture to strengthen hair, provides frizz control, and optimal style definition. Apply to dry or damp hair, finger comb product through the hair until the desired level of curl definition is reached. Diffuse or air dry as needed. This product is made without sulfates and contains no mineral oils, petroleums, dyes, or parabens, and is cruelty-free. So this kind of states it's more so for a wash and go, which is great for us because our goal is definition. So if you can use this for a wash and go and supposedly on its own, it is gonna lock in that moisture when used for a braid out. So I feel like this is a great cream to use for our braid out to get maximum hydration. So as you can see, the Parnevu really did absorb into my hair and penetrate my hair. There is no frizz, there's already some definition going. So this is a great foundation to start my style with. So if your goal is no frizz, you want to begin the style with no frizz. So I'm just going to wet my hair, apply some oil, and then apply the cream. And I actually don't think I need water. I'm just gonna go straight in with the oil. So I can see that made some frizz, so I'm just gonna smooth it again. And now I'm going in with my Eden Body Works, and I am not going to detangle with my tangle teaser for this section because it did make the section kind of start to frizz up, which is the opposite of what I want. I want the no frizz as I begin this style. Okay, so I'm finding that after detangling, my hair starts to frizz. So that's telling me something. So now I'm just gonna go back in with some more water. And I always spray the water at my root and then drag it down. That way it doesn't drip all over me, or it doesn't drip all over me as much. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know that to get the most definition from my ringlet for my end, I like to use a rat tail comb and finger coil the end so that I can have the perfect little coil. So I just take my rat tail comb and I twist it around, make sure I detangle it thoroughly, twist it until I get to the end, and then I take my finger and coil it even further, and then I get the perfect little ringlet at the end. And I have been doing this technique for a long time, and if you've been following me, you already know this. And if you haven't seen any of my previous braid out or twist out tutorials and you don't know this, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I love to give tips and techniques and anything that can help us get definition and make our hair look better and make our hair healthier. So make sure you just take a minute, hit that subscribe button, and then we can get back into this video. Okay, subscribe. Okay, let's do this. So when I take my hair down from the braid, it is no frizz present. So I think I'm just going to finger detangle as much as I can and not use a utensil to detangle, because I found that on that first section it created frizz, and that's the opposite of what I want. Good morning. Okay girls, so we did a braid out to get the maximum hydration, which means using the appropriate amount of water and a moisturizing cream and the appropriate oil for your hair. So as you can see, my hair came out really defined, it's really moisturized, and it's extremely hydrated. It's not dry and frizzy, and I typically have frizzy hair all the time, and I always have dry hair. But by incorporating the right amount of water and using the right products, I achieved maximum hydration with this braid out. So I hope this video was helpful. I hope you learned something new. As always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to me. I'd love to have you. But until next time, see ya!